Hey, so we're on the show floor here at IFA in Berlin, and we're visiting with a personal robot called Temi, which you see here before you. Now, this is an Android tablet screen we've got here, and if we look around the robot, you'll see there's a speaker here, there's a speaker here. Around the back, this is actually a wireless charging pad. You might want to rest your phone on and it'll charge up. Now, you've seen telepresence robots before, and Temi can work like that, so you can do video calls with people. There are also a handful of Android apps on here that work, and it's a proprietary voice assistant at the moment, so we'll try playing one, and there's a bunch of different things you can ask. So let's start with the weather. Hey Temi, what's the weather like? And you'll get a little display of the weather. It also has YouTube on here, so let's try that. Hey Temi, play Bob Marley. And there we go, playing on YouTube. They've got an API, so they're obviously hoping developers will add some more apps to it. Now, one of the other cool things about this is that you can actually get it to follow you around. So you can imagine that'd be useful if you were having a video call with someone. You can tap the top, it looks for the person, then it locks in on you. And if I walk around now, then it should follow me. You can also turn around, pivot around to face you wherever you go. I just want to avoid walking off the end of the stage, but you could walk around your home having a video call with someone, and it would almost be like they were really there, like I say, like a telepresence robot. Now, we suspect there will be more voice assistant support coming in this, and there'll certainly be more apps. It's due to release on October the 1st, and the basic model is going to cost you $1,500. You can also get a kind of deluxe model, which upgrades this screen from Full HD to 4K, adds in some Harman Kardon speakers, and some gold trim, I believe. And if you want him to stop following you, just tap on the head again, and that's it. It's got a pretty big battery in there, so they reckon you'll get 8 hours of mixed use, but it's also smart enough to just take itself back to the charging station when it needs to charge up, and it'll go and plug itself in, so you don't need to worry too much about that. So you can navigate around with the robot from the other end of a video call by using this app, and it's smart enough to navigate around obstacles. So if I swipe left, the robot turns to the left. You can swipe right, it'll turn to the right. You can also set up locations in your home, such as the kitchen, dining room, whatever. Oh, it's this one. There we go. And then you can send Temi there if you want to. And the last thing I was going to show you is you can tap and hold on a point. You should be able to, oh yeah, there we go. And then you can send Temi there. So it's got some pretty cool telepresence functionality.